1, 2, 3. Roll it! Roll it! Mao na ni siya si start ang
Grabe ka happy.
What's the language ba?
Bisaya.
Bisaya. Relax. We welcome everything. Even
Okay.
nagmalay ka.
Wow.
Kaohsiung, Shengxi.
Show my mommy Shanghai.
Or for this episode, not a guest.
Oh my God.
Yes!
This is a special episode.
One of our few friends here sa Canada.
Few, ayun, saba few.
One of the many.
Abi pala, few at ang friends, dahil.
Few lang good himilian ng good ta. Asong isang di mga perfect raman sa. Exemption din siya.
Yes. There's always an exception to the rule.
Yes. Na maging black sheep sa family.
Kung naka-red lang siya.
Ate, welcome ay si Chris.
Yes. Suzy.
Welcome to me.
Yes.
And welcome to
Nagikan para ba nagsibu aw Manila.
diba?
Yan higit para sa podcast.
Yes. Muli na siya ugma.
Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Chris. I'm their friend. So hi! So excited. I don't know the topics. I don't know what we're gonna talk about, but it's gonna be so much fun.
Yes, for sure. Oh my God.
So what's your name? Name lang.
Hi, I'm Camille.
Morato.
Morato.
Actually, mag-game lang ta.
Yes.
Oh my
Sige.
God.
Easy na siya nga game.
Okay, I'm down.
Have you guys heard about the S game?
Ah?
No.
No.
So mamili tag category and then yun naman.
I know. I like it.
Mamili tag category niya. Let's say for example, countries. Hindi dapat wala letter S.
Yeah.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Gets?
So what's
Okay.
ano mani counterclockwise?
Zigzag.
Random.
Kanya ang mapildi is naikuan question nga i-ask. Spicy question.
I love
I
that.
love that.
Are you ready for the game?
Pwede mild
Wala
spicy
choice.
lang.
Kaya nag-start na. Wala na back out tan.
Uma na dayo. Mahay.
Isa mo hatag og first category. Sige, syempre, ako idea.
Sige sa
Grabe yung trabaho din eh. Writer, scriptwriter, director. Sige, let's start with easy lang sa ta.
Okay.
Easy lang sa ta.
Chemicals.
Yes. Funny siya, no? Sige, mag-start sa ta sa kuan. Kato na lang countries.
Okay.
No
Without
S.
letter
ha?
S.
Yes.
No
Dapat na i-countdown. Dapat fast.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Dapat
Okay.
okay tayo. Ha?
Okay.
So,
1, 2, 3.
Joker kita mo.
Back to you.
Sige, Philippine. Sige, again.
You're gonna know the spicy question.
Sige, 3, 2, 1, go. Japan.
Cambodia. Canada.
China.
Yemen.
Oman.
1,
Jamaica.
1, 2, 3. Girl, you lost.
Spicy question.
Wait lang ba?
Sige, yun.
Wala siya na
So,
wala na
siya.
siya.
Spicy question.
Trial sa to trial.
Trial.
Trial pag
Hindi nila lang country.
Ay, magbuo.
Hindi, magkatagkatag category.
Sige.
Siya na
So, ikaw na po.
Part of the budget.
Tuyok man. Tuyok.
tuyok.
Oh, ikaw
Okay. Okay.
Investment. Can't relate.
Ang fun value.
Paglahi na tax bracket.
Wait lang. Sige, kuan. Fruits.
Ay.
Fruits nga walay
S.
M.
Ay.
Magbuo. S-game dami. M-game. Ala decision. Lain. Tax pa. Sige.
Second category na bobo na. Walang S. So S na tagal. Walang S. Nag-o-o pa siya kanina. Okay, actually, ako
Sige,
po.
sige.
Okay, so fruits. Nawala yung
Ah,
S.
yes. Fruits na wala yung
Fruits
S.
nawala yung S. Sige. Mango.
5, 4,
Banana.
dragon fruit.
Apple.
5,
Pineapple.
5, 2,
Kiwi.
1.
Guava.
Cucumber.
Orange.
1, 2, 3. You lost. Okay. Spicy question. Okay.
Spicy question. That's weird. Oh, di ba?
You ask.
Oh,
You ask yourself. What's that you ask Nia?
Ikaw ask.
I don't know the spicy question though.
Any lang.
questions? You can check
I
GPT.
know.
Ah, sige.
Spicy
Gusto na
man
ko.
ka ha? Ah, sige go.
Hoy, nating kuan lang ha.
Unsa?
Ikat ko ni Ron.
Nako yung go.
Ay, ikaw na siya.
Oh.
Kami tanan, di ba?
Dili usara.
Isa lang.
Busog
What's
ko
your
sa
question?
Isa na question. Ikaw question. Sige. Lalo na.
Sige go.
Ako kay general question siya ha.
Sige,
So,
may gabi at ha.
oh, gani. Depende na dyan dun sa interpretation. So, lights on or lights off?
Makatawa ko yung question. Ako, lights off, gid ko matog.
Ay, ka perfect.
Lights off.
Dili man matug.
Actually, siya issue.
Lights off, gid ko.
Mao ba?
Even sa house, lights off, gid ko. Kay, save the energy.
Ay,
Mother Earth is dying.
Ay, seriously.
what?
Are you lights on or lights off? You know what we're talking about, girl. We're not like kindergarten.
Nga na magbuti ka sa
Cancel na.
Sige, mag-lights off na lang. Mag-lights on na lang. Ikakatahimik ng buhay mo.
Just naman dyan me.
Oo. Di na ito mag-away.
You know, I think you know why. Because you didn't expect you won't answer.
And so,
Ay,
sige, pag in English, good. So, lights off, good ka. Lights off, good ko.
Nakasaya ka, lights
In all
on?
aspects. Lights off, good ko.
Mo ba?
But if given the chance, dim lights.
Oh my God, silhouette. Lights off even sa cellphone.
At privacy man. Di makita, di ba?
So,
Okay na,
Okay,
okay na. Lights off, good.
happy na ka? Napira ka sa tuba?
Mas ko at ikaw, lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Mo ba? Ikaw.
Sige, ikaw di ay.
Lights on ka?
On na siya.
Na yellow. Para tan skin.
Warm light.
Warm light.
On ka.
Na may small light. Dim
Amo di
light.
ma-turn off sila.
Dahil mag-on. Mag-on siya.
Mag-turn off yung human.
On ka.
Mag-on siya kay mag-vlog man siya.
Content creator, brand.
Yes.
Documentation.
Oh, ikaw, lights on, lights off.
Both. Hala, abi na ko.
So, on,
As in.
sige.
Dito siya criteria for judging.
Uy, pero ako sabot sa both. So, na on, na say on.
Ikaw mag-on siya. Nakapuyag bangon na.
Going up low.
Ayaw na, dahil ka pinay.
Launag na mo dito. Mabarong pagita.
Ayaw na, dahil.
Hindi tiurok ng mata. As in, mo ka doon na to. Maano naman?
Mau pa na una ko naon.
Ayaw na, dahil.
Bitaw.
Sige na.
siya.
Okay,
Usa,
next.
sugod ito sa tong M game.
Ay, si Camila, si Camila.
Category.
Ay, sa shopper.
Category ka para sa game. S game.
Color.
brand na lang.
Makeup brand.
Ah.
GG na.
I don't wear makeup.
Ano lang?
Sige, go. Let's try it.
Sila primo.
S Japon.
SS.
Okay, go.
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Mike.
Chanel.
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 Mac. 1.
NYX.
1.
Elf.
1.
Avon.
Dior. L'Oreal.
Maybelline.
Ooh.
Louis Vuitton.
Oh my
Huh?
God.
Oh, yeah, you have a lipstick.
Road.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. Wala na.
Nakauwi yun sa...
Sana pa din.
Ano siya wallet? Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Rare Beauty.
Estee Lauder.
Ooh.
Ni S.
Volvo.
Amiga, louder.
Saint Laurent.
yes.
Yes.
Ano siya?
Okay.
Estee Lauder.
Sakto ba ka ito pagka-pronounce?
As in, bro, mang snob.
Thank you daw.
Hmm.
Okay, spicy question.
Sige. Ikaw mo naman nothing?
Spicy.
Lalo siya nakaandam.
How do you know if the question is spicy?
Tilawi.
Mild lang ang mega.
Diba? Koan.
So like something na they can be
I know you have questions. I-ask.
Ano na suko man ka? Naggawa na lang gamit.
Galing-galing ni health.
Mura mag makasasala kay ko. Sige, ako.
Sige. Ikaw na.
Okay, married naman gid ka.
Yeah.
Diba, sa inyohan ni sa imong partner, sa
We
imong
ready
husband.
ka mo on.
Ah.
Go laban.
Kinsa ninyong duha ang best kisser?
Ay, oh, that's so spicy.
Diba?
Ano ka ba na?
Lipstick pa lang ho.
I would say,
Alam mo rin, nireact ang husband sa likod. Sure.
dapat mo.
Ganun ikaw man.
Naku ko baba. Ano din na?
Hakop. Oh. Are you open for another spicy question?
Yes.
Nasya, nahunag wala.
Ay, kinsang per may mag ano, hi, I want some.
Ay, kasi
Kasi manguhit.
Siyempre siyo.
Ganun kung babae mo, syempre man.
Kaya usually lucky man, I think by nature.
Mo ba?
Mas taas ang
Already,
libido
do
sa
you
laki.
approve of that information na dapat lalaki per me?
Dili dapat lalaki.
Dili ang always. Ang
Usually.
ang usual ang permi manguhit.
Ano sa man ang lalaki?
Si Marky.
Wow.
Ganda sa sarili.
Dahil kung merit mo yan, dahil kung ang lalaki, di na questionable na siya.
Oh, I like that, ha? That's a very good, comment na like, if you
But-
feel like the guy doesn't,
Yeah.
it's a little bit shaky, can you say
That's a
that?
red flag.
That's a red.
Yeah, right? But I think depende po sa dynamics sa
Oh,
relationship.
yeah.
Okay, di man sa wrong kung ang babae premium ang
Yeah.
na may uban
Wrong, yeah.
na may uban relationship na mas taas og libido ang wife.
True.
It can be.
Yeah.
So depende lang. Depende lang.
True. Pwede man sa nga, ang si girl may mag-ask niya. Ganun,
Oh, may action.
Yes, ba, di ba? Ang partner.
Yes.
Okay, pero kung ang lalaki galing mo rin nag-off.
Mura din na kay
partner.
si Karina di man gud siya di man siya manguhit. Pero
Mag-
magpanti ra siya. Magsikit-sikit.
Yung na rin ako diretso na.
Kung ano dito,
Oh.
manita siya.
Nagpatagad na di
Oh,
ba?
patagad na di ay.
I have a question for everyone.
Ay.
Okay.
Ay, wala pa kakadaog sa dila. Sorry ka.
Ma-offend mo if nanguhit, if nag-ask mo niya ang person mo sa ay, tomorrow na. Ma-offend mo, what would you feel? Honestly,
Ato pang tanong ng mga married usually.
yeah.
I think we can get
Kaysa
something out
libit
of
na
it.
biyata for 27 years.
Yes.
Ma-offend
Ikaw.
Wala ka magpapaka-try.
Wala reject. Ay, kung pa maganda.
Actually, I think kanina question para miss sa mga bana.
Mag-ikapila na sila na offend.
Marky, ma-offend ka.
Dili siguro offend ang word, no?
Malayan, magluod.
Matupash.
Di man sad.
Masakit ang puson.
Maluan ang right.
Magkinamot na
Magkalison, mag-itiilon.
Pero kaya mag-load ka, mahal. Mag-load.
You've changed.
Oh, you've changed na daw.
I don't get it.
Ano ka itong 20s pa, doy? Kasi sa karoon.
Eh, grabe yun.
Yes.
Oo, grabe yung energy sa
Younger
una,
ka, that's
guys.
energy.
Kaya everyday.
Yes! That's
Mau
true.
ba?
Karon, once a month. Ikapoy na.
Yeah, actually.
No, but I think ang usual mangyud kay ang husband may mangunguhit.
Mhm.
True.
So dapat akala nga question ilahan na.
Yeah.
Kaya dili ako kang
I would agree.
ang like example ako or like I think close marriage dinig panguhit, larga na.
Yes, that's true.
So naghuwat na ka.
ba? Never.
Ano ba? Gahapon.
No, I mean
nanguhit,
ang
ha?
babae ang manguhit ba?
Oo.
Larga na. Meaning sila
Oo.
is they would always say yes.
Yes.
Pero
Okay,
like
pero-
sila ang manguhit na mo kay sometimes it's super
Oo,
tired like
Pero question, nakatry na mo nanguhit mo pero na-reject.
Wala.
wala.
Ay, gwapa. Lami og mga,
Goal.
Dahil
humot.
pwede man i-reject pero bad.
Be. Sunod ha? Ano man?
Ni-reject, ingon nga, dili.
Dili, dili.
Pero dali. May barog na.
Kasi kahikap, reject.
Ay, ano pa?
Oo. Sige na, next category.
Oh, I want
Ayun ang lisod. Uy.
I want city around the world.
Oh.
Barcelona. 1.
New York.
1.
Cebu
2.
City.
1.
Miami.
1. 2. Florida.
Richmond.
Is 1.
Vancouver.
1.
Burnaby.
1. 1. Oh, no, she already said
Makatubag na siya.
Okay, what's our spicy question?
Spicy question. Ikaw.
Ano man?
Because
Ano yung pag-Richmond?
Nag-Richmond naman siya.
yeah. Someone here.
Nag-Richmond. Nag-Richmond
Oh,
siya.
nag-Richmond. Uy.
Kanina.
Oh, unsa mang
Mm.
spicy question and yan and not so spicy.
How old gani ka, Kams?
Teacher. Ay, wow.
Ay, mag-own ako, 21.
Batch ra.
Pila yung gani mo? 29. Oh,
29.
young.
God, you look like
dating
28.
right now? Are you dating right now? Nakadate na kag long term in the past?
Hindi mo ko tingog. Dili ko ting long term.
Ada.
So what's the longest? What's the
Oh my
longest
God.
relationship?
Vocational.
Certification.
Fall term. Winter term.
Oh, semestral.
Wait, so
Oh,
what's the longest relationship you've had?
7.
7 months.
Oh.
long.
Kinda.
Muna na yung longest.
That's spicy enough, yeah.
Ako na ako'y question.
Dili ko spicy. O, ini-ask lang ko.
Oh, para to. Question, nakatry na ka nga na-crush ka sa uyab sa mong friend?
Uy, I like that.
Uyab sa akong friend.
Yes.
I want,
Like, na-crush lang ka sa iyong partner.
I can remember ka.
Pero sa girlfriend, boyfriend lang.
Oh, partner lang.
Mm.
Or whatever context, basta kay partner sila. Pwede.
So, gani ako nag-clarify.
Pwede.
Pwede
Basta committed siya into a relationship tas nagka-crush ka.
Ay, wala.
Wala.
Hindi.
Naalam para natin topic.
Oh, sige. Ako.
So wala, good.
Another spicy question na mo.
I don't have na.
Wala na ako.
Okay. I think I might have one. One more.
Daghan kayo siya. Iya yung game. Iya na research.
Nausbon lang
Ay,
yung game.
So nag-chat GPT ka, give me 20 spicy questions
No.
for my friends.
Lahi ni.
Tama.
Dili siya
Co-pilot.
co-pilot. Gemini.
Well, actually, Claude is better.
Oh.
Claude.
Ay, sorry. Di na sponsor diri. Char lang.
Go.
Wala na bitaw ko.
Next category na. Close my heart. Ikaw.
Yeah. City.
Shampoo.
Ay.
Hello?
Hala!
Go, go, go.
Gosh!
Oh, go. Yes.
Parihat
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Palmolive.
Pantene.
Wala na ko
Oh my
yung
God.
Wait.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Ivory.
Ivory!
5, 4,
Hana.
3.
Hana shampoo in the Philippines. Na makakause of dandruff.
Nanaot pa.
It's cheap. It's cheap in the Philippines. But you'll get dandruff. Don't get it. Thank you. Hana, go.
Rejoice.
Ay,
1, 2, 3. Method Man. Method Man.
Unsa?
Method Man shampoo.
1, 2, 3. Okay, we're done.
4.
Spicy question.
Shampoo pa dyan. Safeguard.
I love the age guard.
Alam mo, ako na-think eh, puro na may S.
Yeah, actually. Old Spice.
Oh. Okay, fine.
Malami ang shampoo.
Lisod.
Kanang kayo.
Lisod kayo.
Cream silk.
Sige na,
sun
mo.
silk.
A spicy question.
Spicy question.
Yung ano?
Di na siya ganun mag-ask si Chris kay kung ano man, minute man.
Ay, ako.
Ansa man. Ansa man.
Go.
Kanang di magbuwag ang manag-asawa ha.
Ayun mo ka po.
Ayaw na. Ayaw.
Kasi daw mag-away.
Kanila.
Ansa man.
I don't know. Pero...
Successful sa podcast pero sa marriage di na. Simba ko, Lord.
Describe your first kiss with your husband.
Hala.
Di man to sa bauna.
Kuan po, kanang, unsa man na be first kiss?
Look, mukha mo. Babae kayo.
Controversial. Controversial kayo kay di pa mi uyab.
Oh! That's spicy.
Pumutang ilong, oh my God.
I love the spicy.
Dili, di pa mi official, pero mo na tong kuan yun, ay fireworks. Nanay fireworks.
So it's like a
Nami
stolen
sa-
kiss.
Yes, no, di sa
Secret
stolen.
kiss.
Di man sad kay nagkuyog-kuyog naman mi. Kuyog-kuyog na mi. But wala, di pa mi official boyfriend-girlfriend. Nag-drink mi sa Harold's Hotel. Nakalagay ka na kaning kuan sa
Rooftop.
Harold's Hotel rooftop.
Yeah.
Di ba, labi kaya
Uh-huh.
ambiance dira. O, diha.
Describe it.
Oh, he dated you first and then you guys kissed. Nag-date mo sa Harold's.
Di ba, weird man
dinner.
ang date. Di ba na dating sa ato? Mura man like
Hanging out.
mag-dinner o
Hanging out.
hanging out. Unya, nag-Harold's mi.
Jamming.
Then, nag-drink mi duha. Unya ka nang, I don't know.
Hubog-hubog din. Hubog ko yung coke na giinom.
So, muna siya. Muna ang first kiss.
Oh, I love that.
Ikaw, do you have other spicy question?
Not really.
Ikaw, Camille.
Spicy.
Boring.
Okay,
Display lang ako, right? I told you guys, display lang ako. Pilipinas ba?
Labubo na to. Sige.
Okay, next.
Kinsa na
Ikaw
ba? Ako na?
Category na ka.
Last category for the game. Sige.
Letters.
Artista sa Pilipinas. Kanang buhi ha?
Nga wala yung S?
Buhi walay S.
Okay.
Mm.
Let's make it fast.
Ara Jeronimo. First name lang.
Sige.
First name.
Huh?
First name lang. Di mid. Ay, kumplituhin
Hindi,
kayo.
dapat pakaila.
Dili masuko. Sige. Go. Dapat ang last name
Five.
po wala po yung S.
Dali.
Ready, 3, go. 5.
Gary Valenciano.
1.
Angelica Panganiban.
Vice ganda.
Eugene Domingo.
Ay, Ian Veneracion.
5.
Vong Navarro.
1.
Jong Hilario.
2. 1. 2. 3. Wala na.
Ang guest yun
Ang curtain.
tonight. Wow! Kayo na wala link. English ko wala si Ang curtain.
Ang curtain.
Ang curtain meet. Biscuit.
Spicy question.
Have you
Spicy
ever
question.
cheated? I have a spicy question.
Go.
Have you ever cheated when you were in a relationship? Yes or no?
I think that's so easy.
To cheat?
I mean,
Na question.
actually, cheating is very easy.
What was the craziest thing you did for your
Loved
partner
ones.
or boyfriend?
Ay.
I love it.
Define crazy.
Yeah,
Yes.
I mean something that you wouldn't do. No?
Kanang ni Ana na kasi mong buhok. Ikaw na kasi mong buhok.
Nag-radio ka.
Yung ana ha, kaya di ka madunggan.
Ako ma-think.
Okay, ma-think.
So, wala kang
gibuhat something crazy.
Feel na ko wala.
Feel ako yung boyfriend ay nag-iwat something crazy. Imong boyfriend before. Ay! Shit!
Cherry.
Alright, for your spicy question.
Nakulbaan nun.
Okay, no, you don't have to mention the name sa person, pero if you can try to remember someone like your friend nga nakay morag, butang tala nakay, not really kalagot, but nakay morag, I don't know.
Where is this getting
Ay, si gani. Oh, so, unsa imong gusto, say, like, ipagawas na imong kalagot anang nga friend, unsa imong message anang nga friend.
Grabe ang
Ipagawas tanan.
as in.
Just think of someone nga naglagot ka.
Kundi ma-fall sa may uyab, may kalagot
Ah,
ang friend. Laban niya, Kams.
Wala lang ko Kams. I'm gonna find you.
I'm gonna find you.
And
Laban ka.
laban.
Yan sila nag-cellphone sis.
Na-feel ako ba si Camille kaya wala siya ikuan.
Na eh.
Dumot sa
Di naman
mga
kailangan dumot. Like, let's say, naal lang kay morag nalain.
Nahiubsan
Imposible
na
di
na.
ba perfect.
Pero I
Oh.
hope you are happy now.
Anything lang ah.
Yeah.
Give that friend a spicy comment. Or message.
Spicy Jude.
Anything you want. Chili mansi na lang. Go.
Wala. I hope na okay ka lang.
So meaning good siya na person.
Namakyo siya sa kilid. Okay, that's the end of the game. Okay, we'll take a break. Yes, end game for now. Let's take a break. And then, after this part, natay additional friend. Okay.
See, pwede kita few atong friends.
Or yes, direct cut.
Ay, we're back! Kalingaw sa among game ganina.
We're back to you. Welcome back to us.
And for the second part, natay
Yes.
very special, additional visitor. Ay, di man visitor.
Oh, one of our friends. Yes.
Apin mo siya sa pundo.
Let's all welcome.
Ay, ikaw may
She's
gusto
not
ka.
the Pempenko that you know.
I'm the girl. Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
Ika-night din siya na never sa Bini.
Yes. Binignit. Tawa ka sa friend.
Yeah!
Say your name.
My name is Cherise.
Yes. Na si
but
Jake
not
Cyrus na ngayon. Okay.
Wala pa doon.
Mawala ka sa frame.
Guys, anything, Kuan, you wanna talk about?
Right now?
Ay, tomorrow.
Hoy, dili, oy. Among last episode about Canada.
Oh, yeah.
I-clarify.
Yeah, guys. Can I clarify about healthcare? So, yes, dili siya free, but it's publicly funded by the people's taxes.
Yes.
So that's the correct term.
But also, dili sad free ang tambal.
Yes.
Yes.
So, kuan siya for the record.
Yes.
Malibre ang tambal or like dental and all through private insurance.
Yes.
Yeah, extended
Kung
health.
nasa imong company.
So, ang free healthcare, ang coverage niya is kana yung hospitalization. Like, ma-hospitalize
Yes.
ka
Laboratory
for
tests.
whatever reason, naka sa ospital, na kay sakit, muna siya. Like, mga naka, it's
Surgeries.
all free. 100% free. Wa kay bayaran.
Yes.
Pero dili sad free ang ambulance. Na ibayad
Yeah.
ang ambulance.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
I also
Thanks
have
for-
something to say.
Oh,
Okay,
say
sure.
more.
Yeah.
If they're in dental,
Yeah.
it's government funded. Wherein if you
Closer.
earn this, if
Certain
you earn
amount.
this certain amount, you
Yeah.
can go to this website,
Yeah.
send a application. And I only earn like 30K annually.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bago na siya nga dental benefit sa
Yeah.
government.
Just
Recently.
Yes.
Low income, I think.
Yeah, something like
for
that.
low income
Na
people.
marag low ang imong annual income.
Yeah.
You can
Yeah,
send
yeah.
a form, and they will help you out.
Thank you, and ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our IRCC representative.
IRCC/marketing
Yes.
/influencer.
I want to talk about kuan kaning anything interested sa kaning a week sa work.
Interesting.
Oh, interesting, sorry.
Wow, naalala ko yung kampo
Bago bagay siya no, mga show na.
Magtubag na.
Bata pa gani kay ka ha?
May gatas pa sa labi.
Kaya dito ba share?
Okay, una.
Sige.
Hello.
How's work?
Yes.
Yeah.
Housework.
Oh my God, you just
Housewife.
turned 9 to 5 girly.
Yeah.
And we're so happy.
She turned what?
She turned 9 to 5. She used to do, di ba?
She used to be 9, now she's 5.
You look so fresh.
That's a milestone.
Yeah.
No.
That's why you look so fresh.
No, not
Yeah,
really.
so pretty.
I
You're
realize,
Mia.
wala ko itulog. Pwede mo bisa, no?
Oh,
Masaya din nga
good.
podcast.
Wala ko itulog sa katong gabiin ako, but at the same time,
Ano,
gapon
like,
ko
ano
itulog.
ba?
Wala ko itulog.
Wala ko usab.
Like,
Naka-job pa man ka.
Bitaw. Kano sa mga nagsugod sa 9 to 5?
March. So, yeah, pero,
Nag-adjust pa ka?
just, gapon ko, I don't know. Tingnan
That's okay.
kay layo ako ang work. But yeah.
Yeah, we're
So,
proud.
mag-drive na ka to work.
No. With the gas.
Kaysa downtown
Oh, yeah,
yung
yeah.
work, diba?
Downtown man ate, and then like,
Dili worth it.
dili pala nako, if I have to get up earlier so I can drive, dili siya worth it.
Yeah.
So,
Bitaw.
mag-stress pa ko sa drive, well, sa commute kay makaread ko sa akong book.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Bitaw.
Yeah. Hadlok pa pud kay daghag risks like sa driving karon.
Mm.
With parking, I have to pay parking.
How
Ang
much
gospel,
usually
no?
for downtown area, how much is parking for the whole day?
Oh my God! Like,
How much?
basta nakasaway mi na $20 for just like certain
Stop.
hours. No way! No way!
So in short, if 3 hours, 20, whole shift na 8 hours, more 60, ana?
Maybe. Pero if you're working sa na may building,
Not everyone have that benefit actually. No, free
Most of-
parking from the company.
Yeah.
Even gani ang
Kami
sa among
wala
building kay $18 whole day.
Oh, see?
$18. It's too much.
Even
$18 is how much in Philippine peso?
Ayo kog inga naa.
I think
Mga
like
kuha na.
750. I don't know.
May na 750
Something
ana,
like
close
that.
to 800.
Bright kag Motsis.
Of course.
I think I just said it confidently that you guys.
Pero yeah, sakto ka.
Diba?
That's expensive.
Mhm.
Yeah, it is.
For a parking.
And also, 18 is also lunch na girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true!
Yeah, ako pa naman baligay mong car. Para na kay pang-parking.
One bento na.
Yeah.
Also, this week while we're recording this ba, bago rin naman ang weekend 2 sa Coachella.
Yeah!
Sa Bini! Amazing!
Yes!
Asa yung mas ganahan yung performance sa first performance sa Bini or sa second?
It's always the second. Because you already
Really?
rehearsed the
Ikaw?
first. Yeah.
Ako, wala dyan ko kita sa live sa first.
Okay.
So, sa second, ako nakitaan.
Uh-huh.
Kanang, those snippets ra to, or kanang tagsa-tagsa naka-video sa first, feel ko mas ganan ko tong first.
Really?
Yeah,
Ikaw, Camille.
pero bibog pa ng second, ha? Tungkol siguro sa set list, siguro, guro?
Wala ka kita? Ah, okay.
But they're very smart, ha? Whoever is running the Beanie people.
Yeah.
Because the first performance, the first week, diba?
Mm.
They realized now when they posted it on the Coachella Instagram, they got like 3 million views.
Yeah.
Second highest views.
Yo.
Next to Justin Bieber.
Something like that. And then so pag sa...
Pero karon
naka-
dili, no, eh.
Karon, naka-realize sila na, oh my God, shareability ba kita Pinoy? Karon sa second week, it's so smart that they put the Philippine flag.
Yes.
Every one of us were gonna share. And it's
Oh,
gonna be
yeah,
a good
that's
impact on Coachella.
true.
They're gonna say, oh my God, Beanie is something big.
Yeah. Well,
They're
nice
smart.
kid ang
Yeah.
ilang marketing
Yeah.
team.
Ikaw, Omega.
Yes.
Week 1, week 2.
Ang second, because the one with the flag.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I
I
just
said no.
feel-
True.
I mean, ang first, I think, like, murag siya introduction.
Mm.
Murag,
Yes.
wow, like, ang costume very,
Yes.
Ethnic,
introduce, or
seashore.
ethnic, gold, and
Yes.
But ang second kay, paggawa sa Philippine
Flag.
flag,
It was
Yeah.
really
murag ka lang-
something.
Nihilak jud ko. Oh my God.
As you said, we're more proud of
Tan ko sa energy sa first.
Mao ba?
I think because sa
yeah.
second manggod nga performance, wala man kasi lagi change.
ang-
Ganahan sa ko sa
ang
ilang
sugod
first
lang.
costume.
Ah,
yeah,
Itong
me
naka-gold, niya
Ah.
naka-hot sila nindot. So like,
Gold and the blue. Blue,
I
green,
think usually
whatever.
katungod mo rag surprise mo like everything was just an element of surprise. Kanya ang second kay mo rag the same naman lang good.
Well, of
But
course.
yes, I agree nga like atong Philippine flag.
Ang flag lang, yeah. That's true.
However, ganahan man sad ko sa first kay gipakita ang word nga Beanie.
Oh,
Like identity nila ba?
Yeah.
Yes. Like murag gipakita gid nga naa gid tay P-pop group.
Yeah.
nga
Yes,
exist, no?
that's
So,
true.
sa energy wise, ganahan ko sa first.
Ako sad, actually, energy-wise.
But you know
First.
what? On the first week, if you look at the perspective of non-Filipino people, you wouldn't say, "Oh, that's Filipino," because there wasn't no symbolic na Filipino na flag.
No, nagtagalog
But the
man sad sila.
audience-
But like, if you don't know what's Tagalog, you'll be like, "Oh, are they from Thailand? Are they from Taiwan?"
Uy, but the audience, they were bringing Filipino.
Mao sad.
Oh,
Philippine
nya
flags.
nagtagalog man sad sila during
Is
the
there week
performance.
3 ba? Or just
No.
week 2?
Mo na to last?
Yeah.
Ano to last? Oh, wow.
Kaya until 19, raman ata na ang Coachella.
Amazing. Congratulations, Beanie.
Who's your
Super.
bias?
Oh, Amika!
Aya.
Ako is Stacy.
Oh, yeah. What about you?
Charisse.
Oh, we can
Charisse sometimes sa by pyramid. Kimi lang. I think I like Mika. But personality-wise,
Colette.
Colette.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Very strong.
Strong.
Maloy.
And it's Bisaya.
Malay.
Like, I think they like sila strength no when it comes to like facial
Si
projection.
Yes.
Sheena.
Ako kay
Yeah.
Gwen.
Oh.
Gwen.
Facial.
Kato gid bag-o pa sila.
Ah.
Si Gwen gid ang for me ha, lahi siya mo
Head turner?
Lahi siya mo project sa dance. Lahi siya akong the best. Pero like yeah, mo.
Projection, ako kay si Joanna.
And also, she did really good as a governor in Cebu.
Sa Sinulog Festival.
Gwen Garcia or
Ano na to si Camille sa iyong bias?
what's your
Wala
bias?
ni pa. Wala si Camille myself.
SB18 yun.
They call it
SB19
the
is
Sex
again.
Bomb Rochelle.
Why not? Di ba?
What's your favorite song of Beanie?
Salamin.
Ikaw. Why though? Why?
Kay mo may akong first yan.
Na na-introduce ka
Kaya sige
ba?
balik-balik. Kasi Mika sa tabi mo na ako tanawon. So, wala ko na yun. Nakakakaya mo siya ko siyang bias.
Ikaw, Sag.
Ako pinaka-first gyud, wala pa ko kailan nila pero ganahan kay ko sa Sungapan Tropico. Yes.
That's
Is it the introduction, no?
Yeah.
Pero I think ni like murag ni Agi na siya, murag di na ko always ganahan makadungog. Karon ganahan ko silang latest is Bikini.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Mao na may kalami?
Dili.
That's blush.
Blush.
Oh, kalame.
Og Shaggy D.
Shaggy D. Ikaw?
Pantropico.
Pantropico.
I mean, mo may national song.
Yeah.
But from the nation's
Like,
group.
actually, like, if Pantropico jud kay halag.
It's
ayaw nila
Bini.
kanta.
It's
Bini.
Philippines.
I feel like ilang music sa mga years ago kay nindot jud kaayo. Kanang mga bag-o gid nila nga music. Karon kay very kuan naman gud kay sila. Kanang
Pop.
Mature na.
mature unya. Kanang kuan na kay siya global na kayo ba? Kanang
Sounds global. no?
oh, kanang sounds global. Sa una kay murag kanang cute lang.
Yes.
Di ba dapat to sila
Cherry on
kanang
top.
coconut.
Coconut nut.
Kato pa ng
Oh, that was a-
start pa sila.
Ah.
That was a branded ano.
Ah.
Ikaw?
Pantropico.
Pantropico.
Sayawi daw, be.
Yeah. Pantropico.
Yeah. I like the diamonds. No pressure,
Rihanna?
no pressure, no diamonds. But really, I like Carrera. Yeah.
meaning jud ato.
Ang Carrera.
Yeah.
Like, love is not a race. It's not a race. Huh?
Oh, I love it.
Buhay ay hindi arirak.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Camille.
Song. What song?
What song ni Regine Velasquez in picture?
Sarah Jean.
Oh.
To the fire.
Karaoke, boy.
Speaking of kuan ba, Sarah G. Kita ko picture ganina manggod si Sarog iyang father okay na.
We're happy for
Happy
that.
for Sarah G.
4 weeks from nakaka.
Oh, by the way.
Oo, okay. At least okay na sila.
So
It's been 4
sila
weeks.
okay sa una.
No.
Si Divine, di ba?
Oh.
Divine
Divine Divas.
Divine Divas.
Pero problema na nila.
Oo. Dog show diva.
Yeah, what's up?
Alright, so before we end the podcast, yes, kay natay time limit.
Okay.
Kaya basi mas machika na tanan sa katabian. Okay, so this segment is called the Pangutanan segment.
Ay,
Okay.
secret kasi
Yes. Di ba, ni uso man tong throwback sa 2016?
Oh, yeah.
Katabang mga pictures ba?
10 years ago.
10 years ago?
Yes.
Okay. A question for everyone. So, simple lang. What would you say sa imong 2016 self? Quick lang.
How old?
How deep is your love?
Yeah.
Deep truth. Okay. Ready? Sige. You wanna go first?
No.
Hindi don't.
Chris.
No, I can't go first. I'm still thinking.
Yeah, me
It's so
too.
deep, di ba?
Yeah.
2016.
Anything you just wanna say to yourself?
Okay.
Ano? Get better. High risk injury.
I love it! I think student pa ka na.
I think na ako.
I love it. Ganahan ko
Sige,
sa
siya
energy.
na. Basta maklat ang kon.
Everything gets better.
Oh, I love it.
Short ba? Ikaw, sis.
Ang buhay ay hindi karera.
Ako kay Shaggy.
No, serious, oy. On a serious note.
Shaggy.
Kaya.
Pag pinarong kaya.
Pag pinarong ba, ikaw sa...
Mana ka?
Wala pa.
So, di wa ka nagtinarong.
Oh, wala. Ikaw, ate. Over. Go.
Ako? So, 2016, kanang, I was preparing for our wedding.
Oh.
Our wedding, yeah. Our wedding was in January 2017 month.
So, di ba
busy ko sa
na-sense yung answer kita? Wala. Padayon
So,
go.
busy ko sa wedding. So, karon makaanan ako nga, kuan, malayo pa, pero malayo na.
Asa man day ka?
Maraday to din.
Oh, that's a good backstory. So, you got
Yeah.
married 2017.
Yeah, January. So, sa akong, ang 2016 jud na ako na kung mahinumduman jud sa preparation jud sa wedding. Kay, mo naman ang a time nga nag-contact ko sa suppliers.
Oh.
Unya, nag-prenup koan me photos as di kanang koan save the date. And 17 January. Yeah.
Was that stressful? Is doing wedding preparation stressful?
Ang preparation is dili. Pero kana nang weeks before sa kasal, nidaot jud kog maayo kay na na-bridezilla jud ko. Yeah. Even the night before sa among wedding kay dapat may mag-confession. Among confession kay the day before pa sa among wedding. Diba? So inana, so na-stress na ko ba? So the night sa wedding, away pa mi. Pero pag ano day sa wedding, alam mi nakaayo. It's always the bride jud na no nga day. As in, mawa jud ka ng problema.
I think ang wedding man jud is like feel na ko no. It's made for
the bride.
The bride.
That's
no?
true. That is so true.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Man ang bilib ko sa mga wedding coordinator ba because I think critical kayo ang mag-plan ka og wedding because it's either
It's true.
you make it for the bride or break it.
Yeah.
No?
That
Because
is
it's
so
very
true.
momentous good.
To be honest.
And anything that will happen, ma-remember gina sa bride.
Yes.
Ang kalimutan kay ang gasto. Sakit mas dughan ang gasto.
Yeah, sakit jud. Pero once gali mahuman ya successful ang event. Ay, worth it.
Yes.
Pero lisod sad na sa coordinator, uy, kayo,
Mao
they
gani.
only fucked up once.
Yes,
That's
mao
Only
gani.
once,
Yeah.
diba?
Yeah.
For everyone, for the
pressure.
makeup artist, the hair, the videographer.
Yeah.
And the fact nga dili na makabawi ang coordinator kung masayop ha.
Yeah.
Kaya you could have a you could have a second wedding the next day.
Correct.
That's
Diba?
true. Oh. Sa ako amo ang kuan sa among part ato, ako rin nag-coordinate sa tanang suppliers kay handpick man gyud to siya ang suppliers.
As a Virgo.
Yes. Unya, so ako ang coordinator ato on the day ra gyud to sila. So wa ra gyud to sila stress nako. Kay mara na ako na lang gi-hand over nila, mao na ni ang contact sa suppliers.
kamo
So
na
murag-
bahala.
partially ako ang coordinator sa among kasal. Of
Correct.
course, as a controller,
Oo.
di ba? Oh.
Ikaw cha.
Kato imo kasal.
Salita to.
What's your
I don't know if this is a sensitive topic, but that was 2016, right?
Yeah.
Usually, how much would it cost in the Philippines for that kind of wedding?
Sa among wedding, kasi since ako may nangita handpick, so yeah, kuan to sa budget. Ang amo ang kuan na niya 280 guests, kuan mga 500k.
Oh, actually,
daghan nas 280 uy.
Nagkano ko yung guest?
Pero ano mang yun ang wedding sa Philippines?
We all
280,
ko
diba?
ato kay murag mo na niya ang best, mo niya akong best day ever.
To
So
be
akong invite un tanang tao nga akong gusto makitaan sa akong kasal.
Yeah.
30 mo. Okay.
Dili, uy, to 30 ako 50 imo.
Well, you're a very extroverted person.
Tiram na imo day. Bali. Kato, ikat. Problema
No,
ba?
di cut ka.
Pero actually,
Diba?
pagtanaw ako sa pictures, no, ang pinakadaghan jud ato kay ako ang work family. Kay di ba dugay man ko mga 12 years man ko sa akong sa bank. Nya sa bank man gud naman gud mi kanang control anang every 5 years ibalhin. Ako gali mo every 2 years ako ato balhin. So daghan kog na friends. Yeah, almost sila tanan ako man tong gi-invite. Kay kana lagi ganahan ko. It's my day. So I want everyone to be there. Na ana ba? Anyways.
Amazing.
Yes.
Amazing.
So, Cha, sige, Cha, what's your message for
Akong
sa mga
message
2016?
at that time, I think, murag pag-graduate na taana, di ba?
2017.
2017 mata-graduate. I think,
Ooh.
muingon ko sa own self na
Correct lang, elementary ha? Wow.
plan more sa imo future. Kay I think afterwards, ni stall man ko og 2 years before
ba?
coming here. I think I could have gotten more experience like sa workforce sa Philippines. Ing ana gani. Yeah, but I have
Take
no
away.
regrets.
Yeah.
I'm happy that I'm
You're still
here
amazing.
because of that.
Yes.
Mara to siya ako ngayon.
Aw,
Nice.
How about you,
congratulations.
Ako is, ako message ako kung naay mirror diri no. Wow, buya bunda.
May salamin.
Yes.
Dito sa hawakan mo.
Ako I
Dramatic
think,
podcast man di.
yes.
Ah.
Akong message akong self quickly is, not everything is within your control, but you'll still be amazing.
I love that.
I like that.
Yeah. Hits different.
Mga kababayan.
Ikaw, Rev.
Unsa man ang to? Actually, di ko ka remember, but if my memory serves me right, I think kana nga year mao na ang year nga daghan kayo mi og travel sa Philippines. Like nag Tagaytay mi for my parents' anniversary. Nag Singapore mi first international flight nako. So like excited kayo kay first like nakawag passport and also basta kana na year mag naglaag rami ni Marky. Then I guess if na ako'y masut niya excited kay ko but then after that year murag mao na tong time nga nag-life transition sad mi kay kana mag-wedding na mi sa 2018 and then all. So na-stop sad mi og travel. So wala mi naka go outside after sa Singapore katong Tri-City. So if nakoy sulti sa ko ang self kay I'm gonna tell her na don't worry you'll go places like different beautiful places.
More.
Like this is not it. Right?
Yeah.
Ganit siya. So like
You'll experience more.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Amazing.
Nice takeaway.
Ikaw sis for the closing prayer.
2016, I was in college, but I was also working as a host and video blogger for travel
Yeah.
vlogs. I was traveling a lot, but for free with Cebu Pacific, AirAsia, Kasai. Anyway, I think I'm gonna say na when you juggle those hobbies and education, it was so stressful that time and you're having fun, but that's good because naragid siya papupuntahan because everything that you're working on, it's gonna be on your portfolio as a creative.
That's true.
That's true. Nice.
Nice.
Ganahan ko kay
inspiring.
lain-lain atong mga
I mean, anyway, that's all for this episode. Thank you so much,
Thank you
guys.
so much.
Thanks for having us, guys.
Of course.
Yeah, so salamat kayo sa pagkuyog namo karong adlaw. So nanaghan nami, I think sige ra jud big mention sa past couple episodes nga daghan jud mi. It's just that we wanted to like just start with the three of us, but now here we are and hopefully some and all of our friends would be able to join us
Yes.
soon. So
Soon,
salamat guys sa pagkuyog namo. Ako di ay si Revi,
Karina,
Charisse,
Chris.
Camille.
I'm Seg. Salamat so much everyone for joining us sa ating tapok and we hope to see you again guys sa sunod nga pagpundok
In
the
the
pod.
For the next guesting, maybe it's Beanie.
Wait,
Magalami. Okay ra ba sige malingaw ra. Okay ra ba sige malingaw